So guys, Google has just rolled out a new change with regards to the APK file installation, or you could say side loading. In this new change, you will have to wait for 24 hours before you can install your first app. So let me show you what I mean exactly by this. So now, first off, you have to enable the dev options. Yes, that is a must. Enabling a dev option for installing APK file. Don't ask me how all of these make sense, but you have to do so. After that, you have to choose if you are installing the app on your own or someone is forcing you. So please tap on no one is instructing me. I'm using on my own. No one is forcing me. Once that is done, now you have to do a restart as well. Yes, you have to do a restart before you install an APK file. I don't know how all of these are adding up, but yes, that is done. And after that comes the most weird part, which involves waiting for 24 hours. So just wait for a day before you can install an APK file. Wow, that's strange. And once that is done, tap on continue and then you'll get a prompt. So now you may choose turn on temporarily or forever. In case of forever, you will no longer get that prompt. In case of temporarily, you will have to carry out all the steps once again after every 7 days. So the choice is all yours, or there is a much better way out using which you can easily skip all of these steps. That's no longer required to wait as well for 24 hours or do a restart. That is no longer required. I'll show you one more way using which you could easily get the job done. And as you might have guessed, the approach using ADB command. So if you are new for ADB command, if you don't know what exactly all of these things are, let me show you step by step. So first and foremost, you have to get the SDK platform tool from my article. You could have a look at my article and the video as well regarding what exactly all of these things are, how to do its setup. It's quite simple. In short, for now, just get it from here, extract them onto your PC, and you will get a bunch of files as you could see over here. Once that is done, your next action is to transfer the app that you want to install inside the same folder of platform tools, inside the same folder, and then do a renaming as well. Rename the app to app. The name becomes app.apk as you could see. So platform tools files are from here till here. Then I transfer the file onto the platform tools folder over here, and I did a renaming, renamed the file to app so that the name becomes app.apk. And once that is complete, now you just have to enable USB debugging on your phone. The steps vary slightly, but usually it's just going to the settings menu. From there, go to about phone, tap on build number 7 times. In case of Xiaomi phones, it's the OS version. And then you will go to the system. From there, dev options, and then enable USB debugging. Tap on OK. You may not verify the debugging connection as well. To verify the debugging, it's quite easy. Just type in CMD over here in the platform tools folder. Then type in the command ADB devices. Hit the enter key and verify you're having an ID. If you're not having any ID, then you might have got a prompt on your phone. A prompt will be something like this. Let me show you. So please tap on allow, and then you will get an ID. Once you've got this ID, now it's fine. The ID will be somewhat different based on your phone, but there will be alphanumeric ID. So once that is complete, you want to easily install the app. The command for that is quite simple. It's just ADB install and the file name. In our case, we have done the file name to app.apk as you could see. So just ADB install and the file name. So let's install the APK file onto our phone. Just will take only a few seconds. So type in ADB install. File name, which is our case is app.apk. Hit the enter key and you could see installation has started. And it's now success, and we have got the app, key registration app. This is what I was installing. So I installed the app easily. This only took a few seconds. So please, just 2 things to keep in mind. You have to keep the file inside platform tools folder as you could see, and then enable the dev options and USB debugging on your phone. When that is done, just use this one line of command ADB install and the file name. That is it. So I know this requires the use of a PC, something which might not be in sync with your requirement, but the other way out is to wait for 24 hours to get the job done. So you may either use the ADB command or wait for 24 hours. This is only for the first time. Once you have bypassed the 1 day time limit, you may then choose this option to turn on indefinitely, and then you will never have to wait forever. So either choose this, wait for a day, or simply bring in your PC, use this command and get the job done. The choice is all yours. So guys, that's all from this video. If you have any query or want to know anything more about this, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.